Managing a team shouldn't be complicated or expensive. Welcome to OpenHRApp, the free open-source HR management system designed for the modern workforce. Built with PWA technology, there's no bulky app to install. Just open it in your mobile browser for a lightning-fast, app-like experience on any device. Tired of manual logs? Our selfie-based check-in ensures the right person is at the right place. With integrated geofencing and GPS tracking, you get real-time attendance accuracy wherever your team is located. Streamline your workflow with Decentralized Leave Management. Team leads can review and approve requests instantly, keeping your operations moving without the paperwork bottleneck. The choice is yours. Self-host our code from GitHub for total control, or get started in seconds with our hosted service at OpenHRApp.com. Every new account starts with a 14-day free trial. Ready to transform your HR? Visit OpenHRApp.com today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more feature updates and tutorials. OpenHRApp. HR made simple.